I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. So if we go to music, and we're in September 2020 now, they've just changed it from iTunes to music. So we go to a record, and you'll see at the bottom there, quite hard to see now, it used to be in red, but now for some reason it's in silver. So if I click on that, it's a triangle with 3 red circles at the top, Range Rover Evoque, and there's a tick next to it. That means that any audio, whether it be Spotify, YouTube, whatever, iTunes, any audio that's playing on your mobile will come through the speakers in the Range Rover. So I've got it turned down here. I'm going to moderate the volume with the phone and not the system here. Now we go to audio. That's already on Bluetooth, but if it's not, and it's quite possible it's not, you see there My Music, there's a plus next to it. If we go to that, we'll just put auxiliary. So that's on auxiliary. So I'll just take you back again. We want to play music here. We click play. We go over here to audio video, to My Music, and again, if it's on video, we'll just do that again, because I just want to show you. See My Music there's no plus. So what you have to do, you have to select My Music, then it brings the plus up. That gives you further selections. Click the plus, and then Barry's iPhone. Now, if I turn this up, I'll turn that up. Sorry. And then we'll turn it up here. That's it. That's how you stream audio. Thanks for watching.